Hi guys, good morning. Andy Demi here. I hope you're having a nice day, nice afternoon. So interesting debate yesterday. I don't know if you had the opportunity to watch it. I'm not sure if either party, Corbyn or Johnson, did themselves proud, to be quite honest. But something important to note for future movements in the sterling is the market has basically perceived the debate as a bit of an equal footing. And what's happened off the back of that is sterling has dropped. And you might be wondering why that might be the case. Well, essentially, what I've noticed is whenever Corbyn does well, whenever Labour do well, sterling goes down. So at the moment, the way the market is perceiving, um, a Labour victory or the potential of a Labour victory is that it's going to be bad for the sterling and therefore bad for the economy. Now, that may be true or not, but as traders, we just need to look out for those kind of signals so that I know when we're going through the polls and we're looking at whether Labour's winning or Conservatives are winning. Right now, we've had a couple of situations where sterling has dropped off the back of something positive that Labour have done. Okay, so not taken any sterling trades today. I've taken two trades, one in the dollar yen. That's one that I posted earlier in our group, and also one in the CAD Swiss. So essentially, I've done some risk-off trades, and so far they're looking quite good. I will share that with you in just a moment because there still could be an opportunity to get into those trades if they look like trades that you're looking for and that's as part of your plan. Okay, so but yeah, not doing a huge amount. There's not a huge amount of movement at the moment. So, I'm being very picky about my trades, and these two have some specific criteria that tick the boxes, and that's why I took the trades. So so far they're both doing well. We've got some CAD data coming out, so in literally minutes. So by the time you're watching this video, my trade could be the other way, but that's fine. I'm absolutely fine with that. I accept that risk. But uh, let's see. So guys, let me go into the charts and have a look, and let me share with you the trading ideas. Okay, so the first one, as I mentioned, was the CAD Swiss, and a couple of things that I liked about this one. So firstly, I quite like this area of support here, and I also like the fact that stochastic was basically oversold here on the daily chart. So this looked like a nice area for a potential bounce. So far it's held. And then when I looked this morning, I also noticed that the 4-hour was also oversold, as was the hourly at the time. Now obviously at the moment it's gone overbought. So what you might be looking for now, guys, is if you're not in the trade but you like the idea, then this is not the best time to get in right now. There is a little bit of resistance here, but you may get another opportunity, maybe a pullback to this kind of area here, which would still represent very nice value, and it wouldn't be too far away from the price that I got in. So with it being overbought, you can see the last time we got overbought up here, the market did go back down, so, and it did give a better price. So that's what I'd be looking out for. And then the other one I liked was the dollar yen. I took a position on this one as well, not a huge position. I'll show you. So again, look, 4-hour chart, basically bottom of a triangle here. So it bought here, not really looking for a huge amount on this one. Essentially, I'm going to be monitoring. I've got an alert if it touches this trend line, but there's a good chance I may even come out before that. because there's, as you can see, there's a little bit of a resistance line here. So I want to keep an eye on this one. So it could end up sort of just stopping around this sort of point here, but I'm just going to put an alert in at the moment, and I haven't actually stuck in a limit yet. Okay, I've got this long. My stop is just below this low, and I'm ideally going to try and get it to this level up here. If it basically touches and breaks, then we could be looking at a much more significant move up, in which case you'd want to measure this triangle here and then project this up from wherever the breakout is, and then you'd be looking at roughly a move towards 110.50, which is not completely impossible. There's enough actually to suggest that that could be the case, and actually I've got some really key resistance around 110.50, so look out for that. This could if it does go, there could be plenty of room to still get into this trade. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Hope that helps, hope that gives you some insight. I'll keep a lookout and see if I can get some more tomorrow. Feeling a little bit tired now. I got up very, very early this morning, went to the gym. I've had a really good day, productive day, and so far trading's going well, but it's coming up now towards the end of the day for me. I'll be finishing up in the next couple of hours and, writing my journal and completing the day basically. So hope it helps. Good trading to you all, and I'll catch you again very soon with another market update.